Hi, I'm Dr. Meera James, Bo Aesthetica, Cosmetic Dermatology Clinic and Academy, Kochi, Kottayam and Thodupuzha. This is the Conmet Hyfrecator machine. So it's manufactured by Conmet US and it has been brought to India by Derma India. It's a very good machine which I have been using for more than 10 years. 10 or even 15 years, and this is the machine which we use in all our clinics. You all must have seen the electrocautery machine which is available in every medical college. So this is an advanced version of the electrocautery machine which delivers the energy very precisely. So it has got a high and the low energy settings. So for the usual cauterization, we use the high energy settings, whereas if you want to do electrolysis, especially since we have all got the laser machines for hair removal, we are faced with a problem when somebody comes with grey hair. That is when we most often need to do electrolysis. In those scenarios, we can actually use this machine at the low energy settings with a different kind of, like handpiece is the same but the tip would be different. So for the normal cautery, we use this kind of handpiece. It has got the tips. There are multiple tips available, and the advantage is that since this uses high energy, like high electricity, it automatically gets sterilized. So it's not a disposable tip. So we can use it for multiple procedures. We just need to clean it and the same tip can be used. And even on the handpiece itself, we can adjust the energy. We can either increase or decrease. So, and the thing is, like, it delivers the energy very precisely. So we can actually do minute lesions from DPN to seborrheic keratosis to what to, like, okay, all these things, and even sebaceous cysts we can do with this. So in those cases, what we do is we actually cauterize the sebaceous cyst wall lining after removing the cheesy material. So it's a machine which is advantageous in multiple ways, and we can even use it for sublingual warts and those kinds of lesions, pyogenic granulomas and the same kind of lesions which we normally do the cautery. So the advantage is the precision delivery of the energy, and it produces an almost bloodless field. Sometimes when we do cautery, the blood would be there and that actually makes the field very messy, whereas with this we actually get that kind of advantage. So when I'm doing the procedure also, you can see how easily we can remove it and how flatly the base is. This is the Hyfrecator machine manufactured by Conmet and brought to India by Derma India. This is a very good cautery machine which delivers precise energy. It has got the high and the low energy settings. So for the usual cauterization, whether it is seborrheic keratosis, DPN or wart removal, we usually got the high energy settings. And if you want to use it for electrolysis, especially of grey hair and thing which we cannot remove with the laser, we can use the low energy settings. And this is the knob by which we can adjust the energy. And the handpiece also has got adjustable switches on which we can either increase or decrease the energy. So we don't even need to use the foot switch, because on the handpiece we can actually deliver the energy. Or those of you who are comfortable, they can use the foot switch, or otherwise you have the entire control over the handpiece itself. And it has got multiple tips, and since these tips get automatically sterilized, we just need to clean it with spirit and we can reuse the thing. That is, we don't need to dispose the tips after each procedure. And for the electrolysis, it comes with another specialized tip which is a little narrower and more smaller needle. This is the handpiece which comes with a long like wire attached so that we can easily use it for cauterizing specific areas. And the advantage of this handpiece is it has got multiple adjustable switches which we can actually use. One switch is to deliver the energy, so we don't even need to use the foot switch as is the case with most other cautery machines. And then we have these two switches which help us to decrease or increase the energy as we go on doing the procedure. So sometimes when we do the procedure, we feel that we need a little more energy to be delivered for the complete cauterization to happen. Then we don't have to go to the machine and adjust the knob to increase the energy. We can do it on the handpiece. Or if we want to lower it, again that can be done on the handpiece. And if you want to actually deliver the energy, just press the knob on the handpiece. We don't need to use the foot switch. So this is a viral word which we can easily cauterize with the Hyfrecator. So the settings are there on the handpiece itself. So I'm here starting with the 5 energy, and if you want to increase, we can further increase here itself. So we don't need to use the foot switch. So you can actually hold on to the ventilation and just cauterize it. It's a very precise movement, so it's very easy to like cauterize too. So you can just hold on to the lesion and just can see the base. It's like, okay, it's not even bleeding. It has been completely, so it's a very easy to use. After removing the wart, we can cauterize the base too. See, it's not even bleeding. It's actually completely like clear. So that kind of like, okay, a very clean cautery we can do with this, because the energy is being delivered very fine, precise and to the point.